Today I'm going to teach you how to pin tap, or whatever it's called. You got the tap right here, the actual tapping, and then you get the slap and the bass, or the bump, or something like that. But you can put these three combinations into a bunch of different things. I mean, too many rhythms to count, like anything, fast, slow, anything. And you're gonna hold it like if you have an actual pin with one of those and clip onto something, take that off. If you don't like taking it off, well, you don't have to, but I recommend it. And if you get the other pin, makes it a whole lot better because it's got these individual rings right here, and it really helps the grip. And you're gonna hold it. Your middle and forefinger are gonna go in the middle ring right here, right here. Your forefinger right here, just like that, and then the rest are gonna wrap around. Now, like I said, when you're gonna take that off, you're gonna hide that. Either if you're holding it like that, you're gonna put it right there on your pinky, or you're gonna hide it with your pinky. So when you drum, it doesn't roll. The pin doesn't, roll on you, because when you hit the table, it's gonna go like that, and it really makes you mad. Now, this is great for, passing time in class when there's nothing else to do, getting your teachers mad at you. But if you really want to make them mad, try to, hit them with it. Get one of these with an actual cap on it. So when you're drumming, the cap flies off. It makes you mad, and it makes them mad, more importantly. But that's basically it. On pin tapping. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to answer them on my next video.